In this video, I'll demonstrate a cool do-it-yourself project using a welding semi-automatic machine. We remove the tip from the torch and unscrew the nozzle. Now we take a Textilite gasket and instead of the nozzle, screw in a 6mm bolt through it. To the other hole in the Textilite, we connect a copper wire with a 10mm cross section. This is what it should look like. Next, we use a 4mm copper wire to make terminals for our homemade project. Now we unscrew the nuts and connect the tips to the burner. Now the homemade device is finished. Now let's move on to its testing. Set the welding machine to the minimum current and connect the ground to the wire. Now take some thin plates and try to weld them. As you understood, this turned out to be spot welding. The homemade device works great, and with its help you can easily weld thin metals. You can also use it to weld strips to batteries. 1865. If you liked this video, give it a like, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye all.